Welcome to a comprehensive guide on the best bike rollers. Whether you are a seasoned cyclist or just starting your fitness journey, finding the right bike roller can make all the difference in your indoor training routine. In this video, we'll dive deep into the top choices for 2024, considering factors like stability, noise level, and overall performance. Get ready to revolutionize your indoor cycling experience. At the first position of our list, we have Garmin TacX Antares Indoor Retractable Bicycle Rollers, your ticket to an immersive indoor cycling experience. Designed with precision and innovation, these rollers offer cyclists a smooth and realistic ride from the comfort of home. Crafted with a durable frame and high-quality materials, the TacX Antares rollers ensure stability and longevity, making them a reliable choice for any cyclist. The retractable design allows for easy storage when not in use, perfect for those with limited space. Featuring precision-engineered drums, these rollers deliver a true-to-road feel, enhancing your training sessions with every pedal stroke. Whether you are looking to improve your cadence, balance, or overall technique, the TacX Antares rollers provide the perfect platform for cyclists of all levels. With its adjustable resistance, cyclists can customize their workout intensity to suit their goals and preferences, making it an ideal choice for both casual riders and elite athletes alike. Plus, with its competitive price point, the TacX Antares rollers offer unbeatable value without compromising on quality. Experience the ultimate in indoor cycling performance with the Garmin TacX Antares Indoor Retractable Bicycle Rollers, the perfect companion for cyclists seeking an efficient, effective and enjoyable training solution. At number 2, we have Minoura Moss Roller Folding Training Rollers with Step Guard, your getaway to a dynamic indoor cycling experience. Engineered with cyclist-centric design and premium materials, these rollers offer unparalleled performance and convenience for riders of all levels. Crafted with a robust frame and durable components, the Moss Roller ensures stability and longevity, promising years of reliable use. Its folding design and compact footprint makes storage a breeze, ideal for cyclists with limited space. Featuring a unique step guard mechanism, these rollers provide added safety and peace of mind during intense training sessions. The guard prevents accidental slips and falls, allowing cyclists to focus on their workout with confidence. With its smooth and responsive rollers, the Moss Roller delivers a lifelike riding experience that mimics outdoor conditions, enhancing pedal efficiency and technique. Plus, its adjustable resistance settings enable cyclists to tailor their training intensity to meet their fitness goals. Despite its premium features, the Minoura Moss Roller remains competitively priced, offering exceptional value for cyclists seeking a high-performance indoor training solution. Elevate your ride with the Minoura Moss Roller Folding Trainer Rollers, the perfect blend of quality, versatility, and affordability. Next up at number 3, we have Elite Arion Mag Parabolic Folding Rollers, the pinnacle of indoor cycling innovation. Designed to simulate real-road riding conditions, these rollers boost a parabolic shape that enhances balance and stability while minimizing the risk of falling. Crafted with premium materials and a steady frame, the Arion Mag rollers offer exceptional durability, ensuring years of reliable performance. Equipped with magnetic resistance technology, these rollers provide smooth and consistent resistance levels, allowing cyclists to customize their training intensity with ease. The adjustable resistance settings cater to riders of all fitness levels, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned pros alike. Thanks to its folding design, the Arion Mag rollers are incredibly portable and easy to store, making them the perfect training companion for cyclists on the go. Whether you are looking to improve your cadence, pedal efficiency, or overall technique, these rollers deliver unmatched effectiveness and results. Despite its advanced features, the Elite Arion Mag Parabolic folding rollers remain competitively priced, offering unbeatable value for cyclists seeking a premium indoor training experience. Elevate your ride and conquer your fitness goals with the Elite Arion Mag Parabolic Folding Rollers, the ultimate choice for serious cyclists. The number 4 position is held by Bike Trainer Magnetic Bicycle Stationary Stand. Designed for cyclists seeking convenience, versatility, and performance, the stationary stand offers a seamless transition from outdoor to indoor riding. Crafted with high-quality materials and a steady frame, the Bike Trainer ensures durability and stability throughout your training sessions, providing a reliable platform for cyclists of all levels. Its magnetic resistance system delivers smooth and quiet operation, allowing for uninterrupted workouts without disturbing others. Featuring adjustable resistance levels, the stationary stand allows riders to tailor their training intensity to meet their fitness goals, making it suitable for beginners and advanced cyclists alike. The easy-to-use design makes setup a breeze, while its compact and foldable structure enables convenient storage when not in use. experience the freedom to ride anytime, anywhere, regardless of weather conditions, with the Bike Trainer magnetic bicycle stationary stand. Plus, with its affordable price point, it offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Elevate your indoor cycling routine and take your fitness journey to new heights with the Bike Trainer stationary stand. The number 5 position is dominated by Hardline Products RS00001 Rollastand, the ultimate solution for effortless maintenance and storage of your sport bike. Crafted with precision engineering and durable materials, the Rollastand offers unparalleled convenience and reliability for motorcycle enthusiasts. Designed to accommodate a wide range of sport bikes, the RS00001 features a steady steel construction with a sleek and compact design. Its innovative rolling mechanism allows for easy maneuverability, making it a breeze to move your bike in tight spaces or during maintenance tasks. With its smooth rolling wheels and adjustable width, the Rollastand provides a stable and secure platform for your bike, ensuring maximum effectiveness during maintenance and storage. Whether you are performing routine maintenance, cleaning, or simply storing a bike, the RS00001 Rollastand offers unmatched versatility and ease of use. Next up at number 6, we have the signature fitness bike trainer stand. Crafted from high-quality steel, this steady and durable trainer stand provides a stable platform for your bicycle, allowing you to transform your bike into an indoor exercise machine effortlessly. Designed for cyclists of all levels, this trainer stand offers adjustable resistance levels, enabling you to customize your workout intensity to suit your fitness goals. Whether you are looking to build endurance, improve cadence, or enhance pedal technique, the signature fitness bike trainer stand delivers effectiveness and efficient training sessions every time. Featuring a compact and foldable design, this trainer stand is easy to set up and store, making it ideal for small spaces or on-the-go cyclists. Its compatibility with most bicycles ensures versatility, while its smooth and quiet operation allows for distraction-free workouts. Built to last, the signature fitness bike trainer stand is engineered for long-term durability, providing reliable performance for years to come. Plus, with its affordable price point, it offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Elevate your indoor cycling routine with the signature fitness bike trainer stand, the perfect solution for convenient, effective, and enjoyable bicycle exercise. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Elite Novo Force Trainer, a top-of-the-line solution for cyclists seeking professional-grade performance at an affordable price. Engineered with precision and durability in mind, this trainer boosts a steady frame and high-quality materials, ensuring stability and reliability throughout your workouts. Featuring a magnetic-resistant unit, the Novo Force Trainer offers smooth and quiet operation, ideal for home use without disturbing others. Its progressive resistance curve allows for seamless transitions between intensity levels, catering to riders of all fitness levels and training goals. Designed for convenience, the Novo Force Trainer is quick and easy to set up, making it perfect for beginners and experienced cyclists alike. Its compact and foldable design enables effortless storage when not in use, ideal for those with limited space. Experience the effectiveness of professional-grade training from the comfort of your own home with the Elite Novo Force Trainer. Whether you are looking to build strength, improve endurance, or enhance pedal technique, this trainer delivers unbeatable results every time. With its competitive price point, the Elite Novo Force Trainer offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Elevate your indoor cycling experience and achieve your fitness goals with the Elite Novo Force Trainer today. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the best bike rollers. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our cycling content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which bike roller caught your eye? Keep paddling towards your fitness goals, and we'll see you in the next video.